And eventually we came to St. George's here because we found out that my daughter was having her baby christened. We didn't know where to go because I wasn't going at all for a while. And I had remembered that this Father Footer, who was at St. George's here, which was also an Anglican church, but he went by the Father thing, which most don't know. And he was a really nice man. And so I started going here to St. George's. And for 25 years I drove from the lake here just because I love this church. And here I am back here living within a stone's throw of this church. Because I found that the people, I loved the people and I loved the whole atmosphere. I had found before people would be very gossipy about this one and that one. And I find at St. George's people are pulling together to help one another. And there isn't that feeling of people talking about one another. And I just love it. And that is become part of my way of life.